Hello and welcome, creative souls, to viraartist. Today, in our exciting The Art of Prompt Writing series, we're embarking on a journey that blends creativity with precision. Ready to unleash the boundless potential of your creativity? We'll demonstrate how to craft a simple yet compelling prompt to bring a portrait of a thoughtful woman in Van Gogh style to vivid life. Imagine transforming your thoughts into a captivating digital masterpiece with just a few well-chosen words. Let's begin this fascinating adventure. This tutorial is designed to unlock your creative potential by showing you how to translate your ideas into stunning digital images. Are you ready to dive deep into the art of visual storytelling, capturing eye-catching images with Flux? One relies on your ability to write precise, descriptive prompts. Here are some essential tips to consider. Specific details. Provide a clear and vivid picture of the woman's features and attire to guide the software toward an accurate rendering. Style emphasis. Place strong emphasis on replicating Van Gogh's technique to ensure the painting follows his unique artistic approach. Mood and atmosphere. Use swirling brushstrokes and vibrant contrasts to create emotional depth analogous to Van Gogh's works. Artistic guidance. Focus on Van Gogh's signature elements to guide the creation of a truly authentic representation. By weaving these elements into your prompt, you elevate both clarity and creativity, yielding images that captivate and inspire. Let's explore how these principles manifest in an effective prompt. We'll build this piece by piece, watching the image come to life at every step. Step 1. Begin with, create a portrait of a thoughtful woman in the iconic Van Gogh style. This sets the stage for an artistic journey. Step 2. Then add, she has flowing auburn hair styled in loose waves, gazing softly to the right. These details add character and depth to the image. Step 3. Describe, her eyes are deep emerald green, exuding a sense of introspection and calm. This addition provides emotional depth. Step 4. Continue with, she is dressed in a vintage blouse with a lace collar featuring intricate floral patterns. This detail adds texture and historical context. Step 5. Highlight the background, alive with Van Gogh's signature swirls, blending deep blues and vivid yellows to evoke the essence of his famed Starry Night. This ensures an authentic homage to Van Gogh's aesthetic. Step 6. Conclude with, render the portrait with dynamic, swirling brushstrokes and a vibrant, contrasting color palette. This final touch ensures every element mirrors the master's technique. By proceeding step by step, you'll witness your prompt guide the creation of a richly detailed and vivid image. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Now that our detailed prompt is complete, let's witness the magic unfold. Here, display the image or the creation process. The final image beautifully reflects the intricacy and imagination infused into our prompt. I hope you're inspired by this exercise and see how a simple prompt can unlock a world of creativity. Share your own prompts or creative thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't miss our upcoming episodes, subscribe to viraartist and stay on this creative journey with us.